Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Kickstarter app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into it. So talking about the Kickstarter app review, the Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform that allows users to discover, support and manage creative projects in areas like art, film, music, designs and technology. It makes it easy to browse campaign, pledge fund and track project update directly from your phone. Creator can also use the app to emerge with bankers, bakers, post updates and monitor their campaign progress, which make it a convenient tool for both supporters and project owners. However, the app has received some criticisms from occasional glitches, such as errors when managing pledge or viewing rewards, along with crashes that disrupt the user experience. More importantly, while Kickstarter itself is legitimate, Baker carries risks since projects may fail to deliver on promises and refunds are not guaranteed. Customer support has also been noted as limited in resolving disputes. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you want to explore and support unique creative projects on the go, but not ideal if you expect flawless reliability or guaranteed protection on your pledges. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.